How to recover deleted Instagram groups. Hello everyone, my name is Smal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted Instagram groups. The very first step is to launch your Instagram application. On the top right side, tap on these three vertical lines right here. So tap on your activity. And if you see the option of archived right here, then just tap on it and see if there is the option of your archive group or not, because archived will, so there is the option of post archive, story archive, and live archive. So there is no option of group right here. So there is no way that you can use this. So the next option, what you can use is go on your chat box and ask the friend that was with you on the very group that if the group exists till now or not, and if it exists, then ask them to also invite you to that group again. And after doing that, you can simply save the chats from that group so that it won't be missing out again. If this does not work, then what you can do is report the problem. To report the problem, just scroll down and down up until you see the option of help right here. Now tap on report a problem and you can simply report a problem. So let's just go on help center, and now we can simply search for our problem right here. If Instagram will give us any feedback, then it's okay, or not, then you can simply report the problem from here as well. And Instagram will give you feedback after a few days, and this might solve your problem. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.